Learn the essential techniques of factoring algebraic expressions. Factoring is the process of breaking down algebraic expressions into their simplest multiplicative components. Let's start by understanding what factoring means in algebra. Factoring is essentially the reverse process of multiplying expressions together. We break down complex expressions into simpler factors that multiply together, just like factoring 12 into 2 times 2 times 3 in arithmetic. In algebra, we factor x squared minus 9 into x plus 3 times x minus 3. The first technique is finding the greatest common factor, or GCF. Always start by looking for common factors in all terms. Consider the expression 6x squared plus 9x. Both terms share a factor of 3x, giving us 3x times the quantity 2x plus 3. The greatest common factor 3x is what both terms share in common. Now let's learn how to factor trinomials, which are three-term expressions. Consider the trinomial x squared plus 5x plus 6. We need two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to 5. 2 times 3 equals 6. And 2 plus 3 equals 5. So x squared plus 5x plus 6 factors into x plus 2 times x plus 3. These two binomial factors multiply together to give our original trinomial. A special pattern is the difference of squares. The difference of squares formula is a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. Take x squared minus 16. We can write this as x squared minus 4 squared, which factors into x plus 4 times x minus 4. Visually, we're finding factors of the difference between two perfect squares. For four-term expressions, we use factoring by grouping. Consider x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 6. First, group the first two terms and the last two terms. Factor each group, x squared times x plus 3 plus 2 times x plus 3. Since x plus 3 is common, we factor it out to get x squared plus 2 times x plus 3. Let's work through a complete example step by step. Factor 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. We need factors of 2 times 3, which is 6, that add to 7. 1 times 6 equals 6, and 1 plus 6 equals 7. Rewrite as 2x squared plus x plus 6, x plus 3. Factor by grouping x times 2x plus 1 plus 3 times 2x plus 1. The final answer is x plus 3 times 2x plus 1. Let's review the key factoring techniques we learned. Always start by finding the greatest common factor. Recognize and use special patterns like the difference of squares. For trinomials, find two numbers that multiply and add to the correct values. Use the grouping method when you have 4 or more terms. With practice, recognizing these patterns becomes second nature.